Okay, I'd like to start this video off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor. Also, never invest any more money than you can afford to lose. This is the stock to flow ratio. This purple line here, if you can see it right there. Now, as you can see, where we've currently stalled out at is where the stock to flow value is. It has actually been providing resistance during this cycle, and that's actually why I wanted to bring this chart up. And if you go back in time here, you'll see that that isn't the only time that the stock to flow ratio has actually provided resistance. You'll see it actually happened a little bit right here before this breakout. Then it happened again right here in 2017 before it broke out and went towards its blow off top. We go back in time even further, you'll notice that the first of the two tops from the 2013-2014 cycle, this first top was a rejection of the stock to flow value resistance. And then of course we broke out of it and went towards the parabolic top. So what we are experiencing today, I don't think is any different from past performance. I know you can't really predict the future with past performance, but you have to admit these cycles do rhyme pretty damn closely. So I'm not expecting this bull run to end anytime soon. Yes, this correction could get a little bit more steep, but I don't believe that it is the end of the bull run. I don't believe that at all. So this is one of the things I wanted to show you. Now, where do I think Bitcoin's going in the short to midterm? Well, I'm going to switch charts. So, we're still on the weekly here. This is just a different chart. I know it's got a fuck ton of moving averages, but, yeah. I'm going to try to keep this as simple as possible. There's no need to get real complicated in this thing. So, let's go back to the 2017 bull cycle here. You'll see that in 2017, we had quite a few pullbacks, but if you notice something about just about every one of those pullbacks is that we made it down to this blue line here on top of this EMA ribbon. This blue line is the 21 weekly exponential moving average, and so when we had our corrections, it provided really decent support, and these were all great buying opportunities. Now fast forward to today, and you'll see that we haven't really touched it all that often. We had our touchdown here, we had our touchdown here, but then we really took the fuck off. We had our correction here on a weekly, but that didn't quite make it down to the 21 exponential moving average, and so we continued on, and then we started consolidating out over here, and now we broke down, and I believe that this time we could reach the 21 exponential moving average, which sits at roughly $44,000, which is about $6,000 from the current price action. I know that seems like a lot, but this is a $50,000 Bitcoin. It's like a 10% drop from here, and that would probably make this a roughly 30% drop, 32% drop, which is really normal for Bitcoin. So there's actually nothing out of the ordinary going on right now. I know it seems bad, but it really is not. This is just another normal day in crypto, a normal week in crypto, a normal month in crypto. You got to get used to this kind of shit, because otherwise it'll drive you insane. If this is how people lose money in the bull market. They rely on their emotions. When you see that price dropping like that, it has a tendency to freak people out. But yeah, you can't let that shit get to you. I'm sure there were many people who were driven out of the market by this correction. Probably people bought this top and then sold this bottom, and then they beat themselves up because Bitcoin ended up taking off again. They probably bought closer to this top, and then it's consolidated and it fell, and they're probably selling right now, panicking. Don't be that person. Just if you're holding, just be patient. These cycles, the Bitcoin bull cycle, it could take a year and a half for the entire bull cycle to play out, and we really started just after the coronavirus dump, so we have some time left. Yes, I know past performance doesn't predict future performance, but Bitcoin cycles here, they tend to rhyme pretty damn well. So that, and the fact that there's really no indication that there's an end to this bull cycle coming right now. There are no signs pointing to it. Yes, like I said, there's a little bit of fear, a little bit of uncertainty in the market. And I guess they're doubting there too, FUD, everybody's favorite word during these times. Just be patient. Buy the dips. That's what I do. I mean, there's really nothing else to say here. Nothing. I keep scribbling. I'll have this whole screen filled up here soon. But nothing has really changed. Bitcoin fundamentals have not changed. We are still good. Just auto on. With that, that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you all next time.